Step 6 of the SIIPA wizard is final ranking. In this step, we will tell SIIPA which of the parameters are the highest priority. Now, the most important thing to remember is that the total of all 4 boxes must equal 100. So we'll go through and set the percentage to what matches our management goals. So for example, habitat, perhaps I want to set that to 35. Control, perhaps I set that to 15. Impact, we want that to be maybe 5, and we set extent to 45. As you can see, all 4 of these numbers equal 100, and so we move on to the next part, which is select the cutoff priority or the cutoff point for your lowest priority. So we can say after these number of rankings, we don't want to worry about anything past a 5, for example, that we won't have time to get to that this year. So for today, we'll just go ahead and set it at a number 4. And once we've set the cutoff point, then we hit execute.